Hey everyone, T.F.D back here. Today, we're gonna be changing the sway of our end links. Didn't want to start the video until I get in there. So, I'm gonna go back in there and we're gonna use bolt cutters to cut the end links because there's no rubber on them. When I got the vehicle, there's no rubber in them. Let's go in.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not strong enough to get this with these bolt cutters. So what we're gonna have to do is get that air cutter and turn on the air compressor.
Those are big bolts.
Well, they're hardened just like that metal on the lawnmower. If they weren't hardened, I could cut it, but they're hardened.
What do you mean by hardened?
Just like the lawnmower blade. They heat treat it to harden it.
Well, that makes sense. Huh. Alright. Almost halfway from what I saw. Keep going. Almost. Oh, so close.
Damn it, we got one totally different spot.
I should have made it a little weaker. I got it.
Oh, how through this.
Okay.
They're obviously very hot right now.
Yeah.
Actually, we gotta leave one of these together on this side at least to make sure that we're putting them in correctly. That side's probably cooled down.
Yeah, where's the thing Oh.
Cardboard?
Yeah, hold on. I put the one on the ground.
Well, I have a piece of cardboard under me, but I thought there was two pieces of cardboard.
Hold on, be back. Okay, we got this one, we got the other one cut. The best way to tighten these is either with a 9/16 or 14 millimeter. That's what I found to work the best. I don't think there's a torque spec on these because I got these are locking nuts or bolts, they call them TAH. Okay. I'll be back with you in a second when I got these tight. Okay, we got the bushing in. Nice and tightened in. You want it to have till it starts to bulge out just a little bit. Here's the top one. Low. That one's kind of eh. And there's the, you can't really see it. Oh, there's just a bolt there. And then, where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is, I think. And then the other one over there we have to get. Turn the wheel to the other direction, Nicholas. Well, I was gonna do that.
Okay.
Me and Nichols got it now.
Is that
Easier
really
now.
tight now? Is that a little one?
Okay. The first thing you want to do when you're installing this, it comes like this. And what I did, because you want to slide this end up through the bottom. And what I did is you have it like this. There's a locking nut right here. That goes up on the top. So what you want to do is keep it. That goes up on the top. I'm just going to keep this off to the side. That goes up on the top. That goes up on the bottom, below the piece of, on the sway bar. There's a top piece that goes up there, bottom piece there, and then the metal. And after that comes this, hold on, let me situate you. It's not, oh shoot, it's not the easiest when you're doing it by yourself. Then you have this like spacer that goes after that. And then you have this bottom piece right here. Okay, I'm gonna hold this real quick and just slide this through. Slide it through, up. Okay, slide it up. Slide it up through that hole right there. What?
Nicholas.
Oh, must have been a rusty bolt then. Okay, Nicholas?
Yeah.
Come here. You need to hold this.
Hold what? Your phone?
Yeah, just record me doing. I want to slide rubber bushing first. And, oh, wait, no. Then you want to get the other,
Baby wasp.
the spacer.
This baby wasp on you.
And the other washer, the rubber bushing. Why is this not lining up with the other sway bar? Might have to turn, okay, quit it. So after a lot of fighting and everything, I found out
It was pain,
that
but
we took this jack, we lifted up, we lifted up the sway bar enough to get it through. That helped, because we weren't able to do it like that. Here's the other side. All nice and tight. So, next video, I'm gonna be working on painting either some of this, some of the brackets, the thing. That'll be next to paint. But for all, this is Nicholas and T.F.D. signing off on this video. See you all in the next video.